So I'll be doing a bloom technique on a heart, and I'm going to be using magentas and gold, lots of rich colors today. It's going to be kind of dark. I'm going to be putting black on just with pouring medium, mixed with pouring medium. Putting quite a bit on here because I want the background to be mostly black, and I think I might have put too much white on. Okay, I hope this is not too much. Let's just check for air bubbles. So far, so good. I think maybe one. So then now, pink tourmaline by Deco Art. This is metallic paint. Okay, that's that. Now I'm going to add some just regular white mixed with pouring medium. Then magenta. This is Quinacridone Magenta. I believe it's Liquitex Basics. Okay, so that's quite a bit of magenta. Then gold. This is Rust-Oleum gold. Then I'm going to add a little bit more of the Quinacridone Magenta. This one's awfully thick. It's thickened up quite a bit. That's it. Now the cell activator. Okay, let's go for this. It's looking pretty cool. Not as much cells as I would have liked, but still looks pretty nice. I'm just going to blow a little bit so I can move some of the black over. Just a little bit more. I'm not going to do any more because then I'll ruin it. Okay. I already have way too much paint on here. Way too much. I think I'm gonna have to move it over here so that it doesn't get all over me. Maybe. Maybe I'll have to tilt it. I don't know. Alright, so it looks like I'm gonna have to remove some paint already while I wait for the center to come back. Woohoo! Beautiful. And I'm not going to spin very hard, I'm just going to spin lightly. I don't think I need to spin it any more than this. It's beautiful. Awesome. I really like it. Alright, I'll bring you down for a close-up. I love it. I really love it. I'll let it dry and I'll show you at the end. Hey there, I am back with the dried results. Everything is nice and dry, nice and smooth, a little bit glossy. It's not that glossy, but once it's varnished, it should be a lot better. So yeah, I'll bring you in for a close-up. A lot of nice cells and a lot of lacing going on in the middle especially. I did get my black background look. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of my videos, they should be popping up at the screen right now, on the screen right now. So take care, have a great day, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.